Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you something about how to learn Excel as a professional way. So want to become an Excel professional, how to start learning from zero. So here a few tips how to start and how to a step-by-step process by practicing a real-world concept which will help you greatly in your real-time working environment. If you are watching first time this video channel, please do subscribe and support. So learning Microsoft Excel, all you need to set your local development environment, which is either Microsoft Office Cloud Environment 365 or Microsoft Office Suite, where Excel software is available. You need to install the latest version and be ready to setting how to start Excel, how to open Microsoft Excel workbook and sheets, understanding what are the sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, these things these things are coming one by one. You have to, once you understand, then you need to a Excel spreadsheet having rows and columns. The combination of rows and columns will be shown you a small cells. These cells will help you greatly how the data is going to be giving you an input. It might be text or it might be numbers. More Excel sheet will deal with data which is the numbers for calculations and applying of charts, analysis reports, analytics, data visualization. These things all will be added at data sheets with the help of Microsoft Excel. So here, once you start learning data entry, then you need to apply a small ready-made built-in formulas of sum, average, minimum, maximum. These formulas once you done, you have to take a next step. Yes, making a conditions using if statements. So if statement, if you are applying, means you are categorizing a data into a specific condition which you are going to be required or need. So all you need to apply these things. These things once you done, you take a next step to pivot table, XLOOKUP, VLOOKUP, data filtering techniques. All you need to how to filter the data, segregating the data. These things are essential. So once you practice these things, you need to take a charts. Charts will help you greatly. How simple way of pie charts, bar charts, map charts, heat map. These all are very who are taking a decision making about the data. These charts will help you very less time by seeing the chart only, the understanding of concept and taking a decision making. Truly it will help. These things once you completed successfully, these all are, I am strongly recommend you to practice a real world practical way of Excel learning. A step-by-step process and many more things are there in Excel formulas by writing simple formulas to start and making you more provision of professional way by taking huge data. I hope you truly enjoy and start learning by applying of Excel formulas and making you professional in Excel. It really help you to save you a lot of time. With the help of nowadays, you take ChatGPT techniques, which is artificial intelligence. When you added artificial intelligence techniques by adding and getting a formula, how to write, what is your query, you have to ask ChatGPT, it will create a formula for you. Don't you believe? All you need to try to learn fundamentals, then you use AI to add your real-time functionality of getting of the formulas from AI and apply in Excel. You will be wonder. It's taking saving a lot of time. So all you need to start from scratch to very less time, you become a successful Excel professional. Start learning today.